Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have a very interesting problem based on Venn diagrams of chapter 6. The problem is there were 100 people in a group. Of them, 43% can speak Hindi, 40 can speak Telugu, 45 can speak Tamil, 15 people can speak Hindi and Tamil, 13 can speak Hindi and Telugu, 17 can speak Tamil and Telugu, 5 can speak all three languages. If it is so, find the number of persons can speak only Hindi, only Telugu, only Tamil, and number of persons who can speak none of the three languages. These type of questions, without using Venn diagrams, if you do, it will be very difficult for you. And by using the Venn diagram, if you do, your work will be very easy and very easily you will be able to solve this. Okay? How? Let me explain you. There were 100 people in a group. That means, on the whole, number of elements in the universal set. Number of elements in the universal set is 100. Okay? Of them, 43 persons can speak Hindi. Number of persons can speak Hindi is 43. Okay? 40 can speak Telugu. Number of persons can speak Telugu is 40. Okay? Then 44 can speak Tamil. Telugu is starting with T, Tamil also T. So after T, A is there. Let me use A for Tamil. Number of persons speaking Tamil, let me take as NA is 45. So what is given, you see in short form, I am writing like this. After that, what is given is 15 people can speak Hindi and Tamil. That means common, Hindi and Tamil. Number of people can speak Hindi and Tamil means A we have taken. H intersection A is equal to 15. Then 13 can speak Hindi and Telugu. Number of people can speak Hindi and Telugu is 13. 17 can speak Tamil and Telugu. Number of persons can speak Tamil A intersection Telugu is 17. 5 can speak all three languages. That means number of people, number of persons can speak Hindi, Telugu and also Tamil is equal to 5. Okay. So what is given in the form of statements and all, I have written in this form. Now I said, by using the Venn diagram, it will be easy for you. How is it? Let me explain you. Universal set is 100. That means, we know that for the universal set, we represent rectangle. Complete is, this is universal 100, total 100. Number of persons speak Hindi is 43. There are three language people. Let me take this for Hindi. Let me take this for Telugu. And let me take this for Tamil. Okay? Total 100. Now, from this to this, back to front, we have to go. See, number of persons can speak Hindi 43. That means Hindi is having 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 4 parts, 43. Together 43. So what we have to do is, from the end, for all the three languages, common is 5. 5 persons can speak all the three languages. So this is the common part for, see, this part is common for all the languages. Now let us do one by one. Hindi and Telugu. Number of persons can speak Hindi and Telugu is 13. That means these two together 13. Common to these two is this complete part. Out of 13 already this is 5. This is, then it will be 8. So that 8 plus 5 will be 13. I hope this is clear to you. So for that, what to write is number of persons can speak Hindi and Telugu only. Okay, that means 13 minus 5, 8. Why 13? Total Telugu and Hindi and Telugu 13 is given. Already 3 languages, 5 is there. So 13 minus 5 is 8. That 8 we have to write here. Same way for what is given, Hindi and Tamil given. So number of persons can speak Hindi and Tamil only. That is given 15. Hindi and Tamil total 15. Out of 15, 3 languages 5. So we'll have 15 minus 5, 10. So here it will be 10. Same way, number of people can speak Telugu and Tamil only. And it is given that Telugu and Tamil is 17. This common 17 minus 5 is 12. So here only Telugu and Tamil is 12. All 3 5. Telugu and Tamil only is 12. Yeah, if we say 17, out of 17, 12 is Telugu and Tamil only, and 5 Telugu, Tamil and Hindi also. Now what we have to find? Only Hindi. Only Hindi means no other language. Now 8 are Hindi and Telugu only, 10 are Hindi and Tamil only, 5 are all the 3 languages. So now we have to find the number of persons can speak only Hindi, only Telugu, only Tamil. So let me find number of persons can speak Hindi only. Total number of persons can speak Hindi is 43. Total 43. Out of this 43 we have to remove these all. 10 plus 5 plus 8. 10 plus 5 plus 8, let us subtract. So we'll get 43 minus 15 plus 8, 23. So you will get only 20. Number of persons can speak only Hindi is 20. Same way, let us find number of persons can speak only Telugu. Number of persons can speak only Telugu. Telugu is 40 minus. So here we got 20. Only Telugu is out of 40. We have to subtract this. Minus 8 plus 5 plus 12. That is 40 minus 8, 5, 13. 13, 12, 25. So you will get 15. So only Telugu is 15. Same way, we have to find how many persons can speak only Tamil. So NA only Tamil is given 45. From 45, we have to subtract these. 10 plus 5 plus 12. 45 minus 15, 17, 27. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 18 students. Or 18% can speak only Tamil. One more question. So first bit, all we have done in short form. But as the question asks, you have to write and show. Second bit asks, number of persons who can speak none of the 3 languages. Total 100 persons are there. How many persons can speak neither Hindi nor Telugu nor Tamil? None of the 3, no language they know. How many means? From 100, we have to subtract all these. So let me do that by rubbing this. Okay. So these kind of questions, if you do by Venn diagram, by using the Venn diagram, it will be very easy. Otherwise, very complicated and very confusing. That's why these Venn diagrams are introduced by John Venn. So this part is done. Let me rub this one also. Okay. So none of the 3 languages. How many that we have to write? And we can write. Therefore, number of persons can speak only Hindi, only Telugu, only Tamil also. Statements you can write. Okay, let me write first bit. So, number of persons can speak only Hindi. Short form we have written, and that is 20. First bit asked. Whenever question is asked, that one very clearly you have to show. Number of persons can speak only Telugu. Only Telugu is 15. And the number of persons can speak only Tamil. That we got 18. So first bit is done. For the second bit, number of persons, directly I am writing here. Number of persons can speak none of the three languages. None of the three languages. Equal to what I said? 100 minus all these we have to do. Total sum of all these is H union T union A. Okay, Hindi union Telugu union Tamil. That we have to subtract. So different ways you can let us write only 20 plus 15 plus 18 for better in order to do simple way. Then 8 plus 10 plus 12. Then minus 5. So 100 minus this one will get 20, 15, 35, 43, 53, 10, 12, 22, 30, minus 5. So 100 minus 35, 38, 88. That means 12. That means 12 persons can speak none of the three languages. I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you.